Hey traders, Keith Harrington II here. Looking at the US 500 on a daily time frame, I do have it zoomed out quite a bit. I was looking at, the bigger picture. So we had a gigantic rally from these COVID lows up to these recent highs of last year, December. And since then, we've been slowly declining, which I think will ultimately lead to a bigger fall in general. We have the high here. We have the low right there, a lower high, a lower low. We got a small retracement there. We made another lower low. We came back up, and we have price where we are right now. So I consider these to be the highs and these to be the lows. And this is just a pullback that happened for whatever reason. But ultimately, price still showed, weakness, a lot of weakness actually, and the desired direction, in my opinion. So where we are now at these current areas, I've made this area my main area because we initiated a support area here with this bullish engulfing pattern, and then we confirmed it with this doji initiating another area. So we had a confirmed support area, very valid right here, before we pushed back up and back down into it again, and we just blew right through it. But now we're testing this area as a new resistance. So far, it seems that this area is going to hold as resistance. And if we do get a push down, I think we will push through this previous low on into this next immediate area, which is around 36. What is this, about 35.50s? Yeah, 35.40s to about 36, just under 36. And I really don't think this area will hold, but if it holds, I would look for a bounce back up to somewhere up around in here to be able to sell again. But that's just what I'm seeing so far. I'm not trying to predict a direction, but as far as what I'm seeing from price and support and resistance, I see a larger leg to the downside. That being said, the positions that I was in yesterday, they got taken out at break even. And I did get short while we were at the top close to this resistance area here. So we had a nice bearish engulfing pattern here. I got short when we came back up to test this area, and it seems to be rejecting it again. I would love to see this candle close down here on the lows in about 30 minutes or so. If that happens, then I would consider opening up another position as well to the downside. So I am very much bearish on this US 500 for the moment, unless price tells me something different, between now and the end of the day. But looking at it, I do believe that we do have more downside to go. So that's what I'm looking at now. I hope you guys started off the week well and that you're doing okay. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy trading.